and welcome to Art Fashion channel. I'm Daria, the artist who paints on clothes. And in this video, I'm gonna use all red color fabric paints which I have, different effects fabric paints, to create art on a t-shirt. And with this video, I'm trying to follow trend on YouTube where artists use one color art supplies to create an artwork. There are not so many art supplies which you can use on fabric, but there are some different effects fabric paints which I'm gonna use in this video. Some of them I'm gonna try for the first time, I'm gonna test them, review them, so this video is gonna be very useful. Let's get started! So here is a crop top which I'm gonna customize, and I decided to create a snake design on it, red snake, because I love to paint snakes and I know how to paint snakes, so I think it will be easier for me to show you different effects paints on snake. And I want to place snake in a very interesting way around the shoulders, and I want to paint it on sleeves too, and at the center will be an apple, so design will be very meaningful. And first I'm gonna sketch design and create an undercut. Okay, now when undercoat is ready, let me show you red paints which I'm gonna use closely. And I'm gonna test paints on small piece of fabric, and all paints which I'm gonna use are French brand Pebeo, just outliner from different brand. And first paint which I'm gonna use is simple red opaque color. Opaque colors are for dark fabrics, they have better coverage, but I use opaque colors for light fabrics as well. But if you want to paint on light clothes but you want to avoid any stiffness, you should better use paints for light fabrics. And next paint which I'm gonna use is shimmer effect paint. I use such shimmer colors sometimes because I love their shine. They have such a beautiful metallic shine, and now you will see this shine in comparison with a simple red color paint. And next paint is glitter paint. It has glitters in it, and this glitter paint is for light fabrics, so it's pretty liquid, and to paint on dark fabrics with it, I will have to mix it with some opaque colors, for example with red opaque color. Next paint is suede paint. I'm so curious about it because it's my first time trying it. And it says that suede effect appears after once the colors are fixed. So I will apply it now and then wait until dry, and then I will fix it with iron, and then I hope we will see the magic. But now it looks like just shimmer effect paint. And outliner. If you are my old subscriber, you know that I love to use outliners. This outliner is brand Decola, Russian brand, but brand Pebeo produces them as well. Yeah, if you want to create beautiful volumetric lines, you definitely need outliners. Now let's fix suede paint. And well, it definitely has volume now and such a velvety feeling, but I'm not sure. Do I like it or no? So, what can I say after testing the paints? I'm not very excited about suede paint. I expected such a wow effect because suede paint is pretty expensive. It's more expensive than other red colors. So I don't know where will I use it. I don't want to use it actually, but as I promised at the beginning of the video that I will use it, I will, maybe in some details. But I love shimmer and glitter paints, and I'm gonna use shimmer paint for the snake and maybe outliner to create scales, and glitter paint I want to use for the apple, so apple will be so shiny and beautiful. And one more thing, I will use mostly red colors, but to create a decent artwork I will need to use other colors as well. A bit yellow, a bit golden, a bit black, a bit white, just a bit. Mostly red colors I will use. So now let's paint the snake. Okay, painting of snake is finished, and don't know, can you notice on the video the shimmer shine snake has, but this shimmer shine makes it look even more realistic. And now it's time to paint the apple, and I'm gonna paint it with a glitter paint, but as I said, glitter paint is for light fabrics. It doesn't have a good coverage, so I decided to mix it with the shimmer paint for the extra shine. So yeah, let's paint the apple. So I used shimmer paint, I used glitter paint, I used outliner, simple red color paint. But what about suede paint? Honestly, I couldn't find a place for it, but I have to use it, so I have an idea. Don't know guys, could you notice on the video the shine this t-shirt has, but it's shiny, trust me. And what can I say, all these effect paints are definitely not #1 paints which you need when you want to paint on clothes, but if you want to add extra detail to your artworks, extra uniqueness, such paints can be very useful. And suede paint, I didn't like it first, but I love how it looks on the sign. I will sign all the artworks now with suede paint. And I hope guys you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful, and if you did, smash that like button to support my channel, and if you are new here, subscribe for more painting on clothes videos. And I hope to see you next time. Fashion is art. Bye bye.